in my bags and given the academy a rain check. I don't ever want to let you down. I let it in. Let your clarity define you in the end. We will only just remember how it feels. Our lives are made in these small hours, these little wonders, these twisted spring trees. Guard our golden memories. And so, before we close our eyes and sleep, let us pledge each other. Gather round, see how your shadows gather round. Shine down, sun's gone down on the lake. Shine down, a moon on the camp that I like tonight. On the camp that I love. Point clear. Vision, I can see clearly. If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look him in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky, I'm that mountain peak. Have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. All these places have their moments. With campers and friends, I still can recall. Some are white caps, some are seagulls. In my life, I love them all. But of all these friends and campers, there is no one compared with even. Though we're leaving Point Clear far behind us, there'll be many memories, there'll be many letters, there'll be many hours till we meet again. Then we'll have dark and stormy weather through the sunny weather too. We have stood within the circle of our glorious Eagle crew. We have fought to gain our victory and our